Today's Heroes Day in my country. I thought I had physics this afternoon, so I have to hurry. I get ready for physics. Yeah, today's Heroes Day, so it's a bank holiday, and I'm going to physics lesson because this term is literally just so strange because we have so much bank holidays in it, so it's all messed up and stuff. My lesson teacher was like, you know what, we're having class today on the bank holiday even though we have more classes, but we have limited classes this term because of the bank holidays, and I'm rushing and babbling because yeah, physics lessons make me feel so smart. I love physics lessons, like any lessons make me feel so smart because you know when you're in school, the teacher is teaching, it might not be your style or anything near to it, but for me, physics lessons just make me feel so smart because I don't understand physics in school. Well, not that I don't understand it, the teacher is nice and everything, and I understand bits and pieces, but I don't understand anything that is doing with problem solving or anything. But when I go to this math lesson, he teaches me and I'm like, I just wrote all of that and look back at it, I was like, if I was younger looking at myself, I would think I'm so smart right now. And I'm looking at myself like, girl, I did not know what I was doing a couple of minutes ago, and now I do. So keep trying because you never know. But I don't know if it's only me because I feel like schoolwork and lessons work are like more advanced, but two different places and two different understanding levels. And I'm like, how can I understand more at lessons than at school? And I always say this, I have more good lesson teachers than actual like school teachers, not really. But it's because like, you know, learning styles are very different, and your lesson teacher is paid to know more about your learning style to help you, while teachers have a whole class, so they can't like cater to just only you. They have to cater to the whole class. So basically you're left behind because they're trying to just cater to mass learning styles. Right now I'm getting ready because I'm supposed to be leaving anytime soon because I thought it was an afternoon class, because normally on a normal school day I would be at school right now and I would just go after school to lessons, but I didn't know that was in the morning, so I slept in and my parents just came to wake me and they're like, wait, you're not waking up? You have class in 45 minutes. I still might live a couple of minutes from the actual destination, so I am panicking right now because I have to go and get ready, but I'm kind of ready. I just have to hurry right now. And he doesn't like people entering his class late, which is kind of crazy because it's like a huge distraction, and I kind of get that because like I normally get there early, but when I see people coming in, it is a huge distraction because the door is behind us, so you just like start looking backwards to see who's entering and stuff, and then you know you have to greet them because like they're your friends, so like that's a huge thing. So I get what he's saying about he likes everybody to be on time. So basically right now I'm hurrying. I just have to go and put on my perfume, which is in another room, but I'm ending it off like this because I have to go and learn some physics and act smart. If you know, you know. Emcee Duchess. Bye guys.